I've created a basic scene in Unity. In this, there is an object which is a square, and there is also a button. This button will be used to destroy the object later through code. So let's create a new script. I'm going to call this destroy object. However, you can call this what you want, or you can have this sort of in a script you already have. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the start and update functions, as we're first going to look at how to destroy an object through a button click. So I'm going to create a public void. This is going to be called destroy the object. In this, I'm going to have a parameter called obj to destroy, obj standing for object. Now in this function, we're going to want to type destroy, and then in brackets, we're going to put obj to destroy, as that is our parameter. This will mean the game object that we pass through from the button click will be used as the one to destroy. So, heading back to our scene, we're going to want to go to our button, we're going to want to go to onClick, and we're going to want to add an event. Then we're going to drag our script onto a game object. I'm just going to put it on the canvas for ease of use. And then whatever game object you've put this script on, you're going to want to drag into the bit underneath the onClick. Then you're going to want to go down, you're going to want to find your script, and you're going to want to click destroy the object. Then we're going to put into the parameter that is given the game object we wish to destroy. So now let's run the game and see what happens. If we click the button destroy, the game object is removed, therefore our script has worked. So I'm now going to clear the script, and we're going to look at another method of destroying an object, this time looking at how we can destroy the exact object that the script is on. So I'm going to create a start function again, and I'm also going to create another function called destroy object. From the start function, I'm going to invoke the destroy object function. However, I'm going to do this with a time delay of 2 seconds. First, we're going to look at how to destroy the script on the game object instead of the object itself. To do this, we're going to want to type destroy and then just put this. Then finish that off with a semicolon, and now let's run our game and see what happens. So let's attach this script to the object we want to destroy, or have the script destroy from, and let's play. As we can see, the object stays, however the script is now removed. So now let's look at how we can remove the entire game object. To do this, we're going to want to type destroy and then simply put game object inside the brackets. So now let's go back to our scene and let's run the game and see what happens now. If we play, after 2 seconds, the entire game object is removed as intended. So this was 3 quick methods in how to destroy separate things in Unity.